Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. We just completed a very time-consuming two-stage paint correction, and then we put our 3-year ceramic product on the painted surfaces. G1 on the glass, C5 wheel armor from G-Technic on the wheels. Now, this is one of those details where the owner of this car had purchased it previously owned, and it's a beautiful, fantastic car, but it was beat really bad with automatic car washes, neglect, just was not taken care of over the life of the vehicle. And even though we did 2 steps, there's still some scratches and nicks and scrapes in it that are way too deep into the clear coat, even to be wet sanded out. So what we did was take an approach to where we wanted to preserve as much of the clear coat as possible, but still remove as many of the swirl marks and scratches and imperfections as we could, while still getting a great end result, but not taking off so much clear coat by wet sanding and getting too aggressive that it could lead to problems later on down the road. So we did a really good 2-step. We spent about 14 hours just polishing on this car. And then of course all the detailing, the prep, the application of the coating, etc. Even though this car was really bad in terms of the defects and scratches it had on it, we still were able to remove 85 to 90% of that with a 2-step process, which can all be done over a 2-day period. So overall, it looks fantastic. It's extremely glossy. We got most of the swirls and a lot of the scratches out of the surface. We put our 3-year coating on it, so it's going to be glossy, shiny, beautiful, easy to clean, no waxing or sealing for the life of the coating, and it's going to maintain this beautiful gloss for years to come. If you'd like to get a paint correction or ceramic coating service done to your vehicle, you can go to our website, which is visualprodetailing.com.